Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. I just wanted to show you a few things I got at the flea market and a few garage sales. And one of the things I got was this cat with translucent eyes. You put a candle back here, turn it around, and you'll see the glow of the candle through the eyes. Very cool. I'll show you that a little bit later at the end of the video. I got this utility knife, or utility multi-tool here for fishing. It is an OvererLand Fisherman's Friend. It's got the clip blade, scaler, magnet to put it on your tackle box, line cutter, pliers. Got this dragon knife. There was probably a medallion here of some sort that was glued in there. It's not there now. I think this was made in China, but it's interesting. Daggar like knife here. And this and this. This is really interesting here. What you have here. First of all, give you a second. Does anybody know what this is? And it is a RITZ Stropper. I know you guys know what a Stropper is, so I'll open it up. But it's a Stropper for your Safty razor blades. And there's your strops inside. So you just put it in here, close it up, and then you just turn it. Kind of hard to turn. I don't know if it's supposed to turn easier than this or not, but you turn this, the strops sharpen the blade up a little bit, take it out, and then you'd put it in, something like this type of a safety razor here. Actually, this is the kind that I use, and they're pretty effective. This one's a little off, but there you have it. Well, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that stuff. Get scared, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Isn't that so cool? I probably won't sell that. Thanks for watching.